In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a filter for your reports. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Select either your enterprise or your location, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Filters. You should now arrive at a list of your filters. To create a new filter, click Add at the top of the chart and give your new filter a name. We'll say Full-Time Employees. If you don't want to add this filter, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now this new filter has been created. I can change the name if I want to. I do need to decide when I want this filter to start. If you leave it at 0, it's going to start at the current day. I could choose to start at the current week instead by clicking the arrow next to days and changing it to weeks, months, quarters, years, or range. Go ahead and say weeks. And then I need to decide how many days I want included in this filter. Let's say I want this to include 2, and I'm going to change this also to weeks. Now my filter will go into effect today for 2 weeks whenever I'm looking at a report. Next, I need to select a field for the filter. To do that, click the arrow next to Fields, then choose a field. I'll go ahead and say Crew. Next, select a crew. I'll choose Full-Time, and to add this to the filter, I will choose Add. I can add another field to this filter if I would like. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it with crews. If I'm happy with this filter, I can choose Save. Now that filter has been created and saved. Next time you view a report, you can view it through the lens of this filter. To copy a filter, click that filter, then choose Copy at the bottom of the screen. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you what you want to name this filter. Maybe I'll put Part-Time Employees Only. If you don't want to add this filter, choose Close. I do, so I will select Save. And now that new filter has been added. I'll go ahead and go back to Part-Time Employees Only. And right now, I'm going to delete this second part of the filter. I will choose Save. And now I have 2 different filters, one with part-time employees and a specific schedule, and one with only part-time employees. If I don't want this new filter, I decided I don't like it, I can click on that filter, go to the bottom of the chart, and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this filter. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that filter has been deleted. That's how you can add, edit, and delete filters for your reports. Check out the next video to learn how to add, edit, and delete styles for your reports.